Hiring Hoosiers, an RTV6 effort helping you find jobs and opportunities that will better your life and better you. Earlier this year, we told you about a free HVAC class that generated more than 200 applicants. That was huge. It showed that there's an interest in the skilled trades and a major need for employers and employees. Today's RTV6's Meredith Barrick is taking a visit to a Hoosier-owned and operated company. It will not only pay for your schooling, but also for your on-the-job training with the hopes of closing that skilled trades gap.
I was about 26 and didn't have a career yet.
It's a common theme among these young men.
I was looking to get into a trade, any of them really.
They were able to find exactly what they were looking for thanks to mechanical contractors RT Moore. And their timing couldn't be better.
Based on our average growth rate, we're projecting that we'll have to fill 500 jobs in the next 5 to 7 years.
Through the company's launch program, trainees learn the skills that turn them into competent and capable tradesmen. No experience necessary.
In order for us to continue to grow as a company, it's crucial for us to, be able to attract, retain, and train the next generation of our workforce, which is why it's so crucial for us to have our launch training program. We just require someone to be humble, hungry, and smart.
Trainees not only have their trade schooling paid for, but they also get paid during their on-the-job training during the 4-year program.
It's important for us to get the message out there and educate these students that, a career in the skilled trades is a great avenue for, someone to build their career and to have a good wage and, to be able to support their families.
Alex Lepker now works as a field superintendent for RT Moore, a career he wouldn't have without the launch program.
Really, my ultimate goal is to continue to move up in the company, and I really think that launch prepares you to do that. They give you a good foundation that you can build on, and really for personal growth and also company success, just want to continue to grow and master my craft and continue to move up.
Meredith, thank you so much. If you'd like to learn more about Launch, visit hiringhoosiers.com. That's where you'll also be able to find all of our other stories at our website. Your health is invaluable, and throughout our state, there are thousands of people that are really focused on making sure that you are safe every day. Dr. Hannah Maxey, welcome to the program. Good to have you here. Tell us about the Indiana Health Workforce Summit. What is that all about?
Thank you so much for giving me some time today. The Bowen Center for Health Workforce Research and Policy at Indiana University has hosted this event for the past 4 years. And this year, the Indiana Health Workforce Summit theme is Workforce Alignment in the Health Sector. We are going to be hearing about some of those factors that influence the demand for workers in various jobs in healthcare across our state. For example, Dr. Chris Box from the Indiana State Department of Health is going to be joining us to talk about population health as a demand factor for jobs in Indiana.
And what is key as we get older, a little older every year, and our population is older, the need for healthcare workers will not end. I mean, at the end of the day, we will always need doctors and nurses and CNAs and those people that really care for a wide range of populations.
Absolutely, and I'm glad that you mentioned the CNA. One of the things that I'm particularly proud about over the last several years that the Bowen Center has worked on in conjunction with the state is looking at pathways for individuals that enter healthcare at an entry-level occupation such as the CNA. Several years ago, we actually did a study that looked at the CNA as a pathway to licensed and professional nursing. And when we did that study in conjunction with the state, we identified that Hoosiers who hold a CNA and went on to become a licensed practical nurse and then a registered nurse, that group of individuals had a greater level of racial and ethnic diversity, meaning there were more racial and ethnic minorities in the group of registered nurses that had previously held a CNA, suggesting that CNA was very likely a pathway for them to employment and to advancement academically and employment as a registered nurse. That led Ivy Tech Community College to explore a kind of like a bridge program or explore credits for CNA experience toward their nursing degree, which Ivy Tech will actually be reporting out on that at the summit. So those types of pathways are very, very critical and important to helping not just get people into jobs, but advance in the health sector and increasing opportunities.
The big summit coming up on May the 21st. Tell me about it. Where do I go? What are my hours? And it's free for state employees, right?
Free for state employees. We're very lucky to be partnered with the state of Indiana to host this event. And so through funding support from the state of Indiana, we're able to offer it at no cost to state government employees and very low cost to the public. It is $25 registration fee. It will be held at the Indiana Government Center, and it will open, registration will open at 8:30, but the event formally begins at 8:45, and the event will end at 4 p.m. So we hope that you will come and join us.
An event that will open doors with it, a lot of information about the future of healthcare jobs in our state. Dr. Maxey, thank you so much. Best of luck with the event.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming in. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Knowledge is power. Still ahead, there's a huge demand for people with science, technology, engineering, and math skills. Next, the group seeking to empower girls and why it believes its plan is necessary in the present and for the future. When your Hiring Hoosiers Report continues right here on RTV6.
They get the perfect match that will set them up for success.
It's hoping to be the first of its kind in our state. A group is planning to launch a new STEM school just for girls right here in Indianapolis. You're looking at video from April when we attended the Real World, Real Girls Conference that touched on science, technology, engineering, and math. That's the word STEM. These are the kinds of students wanted for the yet unnamed STEM school. Along with the STEM-focused classes, girls who attend that future school will be immersed in the Girl Scout leadership experience. Organizers hope to open that new school in the fall of 2021. Currently, women hold less than 25% of the STEM jobs in the United States.